Welcome to our detailed comparison between TP-Link's Archer ASIN and WR840N V6.20 routers. Let's dive into their wireless performance, security features, hardware specifications, and software functionalities to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer A7 boasts Wi-Fi type technology with AC1750 speeds, offering dual-band capability ideal for medium-sized homes. With 3 high-performance antennas and a signal boosting array, it ensures reliable coverage for a 3-bedroom house. Conversely, the WR840N V6.20 features Wi-Fi 4 technology with N300 speeds, suitable for smaller spaces like 2-bedroom houses, equipped with 2 fixed antennas and legacy Wi-Fi connectivity. 2. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall, access control, and IPA binding. The Archer A7 goes further by offering VPN server support and advanced Wi-Fi encryption options like Wi-Fi Enterprise 802.WAX. On the other hand, the WR840N V6.20 provides essential security measures such as application layer, gateway, and guest network capabilities, along with support for WPAT-WU encryption. 3. Hardware. In terms of hardware, the Archer A7 features a Qualcomm QPU, gigabit Ethernet ports, and USB support for file sharing and media streaming, powered by a 12 adapter. Meanwhile, the WR840N V6.20 is equipped with a single-core QPU, a WAN port, and 4 LAN ports, offering basic networking capabilities suitable for smaller environments, powered by an NIN adapter. 4. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, along with essential management features through the Tether app and web interface. The Archer A7 offers advanced software functionalities like on-mesh support for flexible network expansion and comprehensive parental controls, while the WR840N V6.20 focuses on essential networking features with close-by-device and DSP options. In conclusion, the Archer A7 stands out for its robust wireless performance, advanced security features, versatile hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities, making it suitable for medium-sized homes and demanding users. Conversely, the WR840N V6.20 offers basic networking capabilities suitable for smaller environments, prioritizing simplicity and affordability. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.